everyone, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to double crochet. We went ahead and starting chaining up. We're about to turn. So for when you are turning onto and starting your first row with double crochet, you want to chain up 2, and that is just to match up the height of the double crochet. So you're going to chain 1 and 2. And you want to turn your work. What we're going to do is insert our hook through this first chain. Yarn over first. Insert our hook through the loops. You're going to go ahead and yarn over again. Pull through those 2 loops only. And you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and having 2 loops on your hook left. So then you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through those 2 loops. And that is your double crochet. So it's 2 single crochets in one. And we're going to do it on our next stitch. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook through the loops, yarn over, pull through the loops, and having these 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's your double crochet. So there you have it. Those are your double crochets. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and hit the thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting!